Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make Goan sausages with potato. It's a simple recipe and yet it's very delicious. Sausages everyone knows, it's very popular all over. And in order to make that, what I've taken is I've taken 50 bits of sausages. Then I have onion, which is 3 medium size, cut in medium dice. Then I have cumin, which is half a teaspoon, whole cumin, garlic, 8 clove, crushed and kept. Then green chili, slit and kept, 2 each. Potatoes, 2 medium cut in quarters. And then tomato cut in quarters, 2 each. And vinegar. I've used toddy vinegar. If you have white vinegar, you can also use that. Or you can use any type of vinegar. So this I've taken half a tablespoon of toddy vinegar, and if you have a white synthetic vinegar, you can use that one. It's not an issue. This is a must-try recipe. Everyone will enjoy this in the family. And let's start with the cooking process. This recipe you can make it in few minutes, and people love this. So let's start with the cooking process now. So in a vessel, what you need to do is you need to add all the ingredients which I have cut and kept: onions, everything except sausages, vinegar, and 1 cup of water, and let it boil. You need to add salt and let this boil. We'll cover this and keep, and let the potatoes cook till 80%. Now it has been at least 15 minutes since it was boiling. We'll remove the lid and we'll check if potatoes are cooked. Yes, they are done already. Now it's time to add sausage in that. You have to mix them properly. Now sausages, what you have to do is when you cut, I've cut them in 3 bits. If you want, you can use 3, 4, whatever, and then remove the thread. Once you mix this, you need to cook it on a very slow flame for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Let the vegetable observe the flavor of the sausages. Let's cover this and keep for another 8 minutes. This has been simmering for nearly 8 minutes now. We'll check this out. Guys, check this, how delicious they look. Yummy. These are ready now. Now I will turn off the flame, and this is ready to be served. Guys, check this out. This is the final outcome. How delicious they are. It's a Goan delight. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. And as I mentioned, this does not need any efforts, and it's a very delicious meal which everyone will enjoy at home when you prepare. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also tell your friends and family. For other interesting recipes, you can watch on my channel. I have posted simple recipes and delicious. Try each and every ingredients, and you're gonna enjoy those one also. If you have tried this recipe and you love it, please let me know in the YouTube comment section. And thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.